Hey everyone, in this video I want to take a look at how you can run container applications out at the edge. Now this is really important if you're building container applications and want to run it inside a retail store or inside a manufacturing plant. Now Red Hat has several different platforms you can use to run container applications out at the edge. Now one of those is Red Hat Device Edge, RHDE. Red Hat Device Edge includes Red Hat Enterprise Linux, it includes Microshift, and it provides a small form factor you can use to run container applications in a retail store, for example. So you might want to run a point of sale system on Red Hat Device Edge. But what if you have more container applications or more advanced application use cases? What if you need access to AI accelerators as well as virtual machines and container applications all on the same platform inside a manufacturing plant? This is where you might use something like SNO, Single Node OpenShift. Now, Single Node OpenShift supports all of the things that a full-blown OpenShift cluster does, but in a small form factor. So I can provide AI accelerators for applications. I can run virtual machines and lots of containers out at the edge inside one of these locations. Now, what if I need redundancy and resilience built into that application also, or into that platform? Now for this, I might use something like a compact OpenShift cluster, a 3-node OpenShift cluster. Now this is going to provide me the resilience and redundancy I need to be able to support application uptime. I can perform platform updates, I can ensure that I'm applying security patches, and I can do that while maintaining container application uptime. And I can support all of those things I can support on Single Node OpenShift. AI accelerators, virtual machines, lots of container applications out inside a retail store, for example. But with the resilience and redundancy, I need to ensure that application is available.